Oh my god.
100 layers of makeup.
This side it is just one layer of makeup and this side it is 100 layers. Hey guys, Fabi here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do an experiment, actually a challenge, and it's going to be so much fun because it was a thing few years back. Yes, I am going to do 100 layers of makeup. I am super excited but I'm scared too because I've never tried doing 100 layers of makeup on my face. I don't know how it's gonna feel. So let's get started. I already have one layer of makeup on my face, so I'm gonna do 99 layers more. So let's get started with the eyebrow first. So I'm gonna use 50 layers of brow pomade and 50 layers of brow mascara. So let's start. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and 10. So I have added 9 layers and still how many left? 90. And 25. अभी से ही मैं मूव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ लाइक So yep, I am done with the 50 layers and now it's time to add on 50 layers of mascara. I have achieved something. Okay, so it is an achievement of doing 50 layers on your eyebrows. Layer 1, 9, 51, 52, 53, and 100. Finally, we are done with the eyebrows. So now let's do our eyeshadow. Colorful palettes. I'm gonna try doing all the shades on my eyes because we are going to do 100 shades and there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 shades are in here. Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. You are a dirty fellow. You also. So I have all the shades. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't have 6 fingers. I just have 5. Just 5 fingers. I'm not Hrithik Roshan. Wish I could be, but I'm not fun. Let's take the pink and purple family. So how is it looking? And for sure it's not getting blended. And 25. We are done with the 25 layers of eyeshadow. And आगे बारी 75 और परी मैदान छड़ी. There was a song, no? क्या खूब लड़ी क्या. These blues, greens are not visible on my. Oh wow! Now I can see blue. Wait, let me try putting more of this. I need a bigger blending brush, my blush brush. I'm gonna blend it a little So guys, I'm done with 100 layers of eyeshadow, which I never thought I'm gonna do. But now I am going to move forward towards blush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $25. Oh my god. और मेरे सच में पेन हो रहा है. 75 टाइम्स अभी मुझे और लगाना है. So please इस चीज़ को काउंट कर लीजिएगा because I'm not gonna brush it like this as वरना फिर मेरे गाल एकदम ही ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. Yay! 100! We are done with 100 layers of blush. I hope मेरे गाल नीचे लटक के ना आ जाए. Let's get started with the highlighter. No, first let's do the mascara. Mascara. इसको करने में मैं थोड़ा डर रही हूँ because I recently got my eyelash lift. और 100 layers of mascara, I don't know if it's going to ruin that. One layer. No, one layer was there, that was second, then third, oh my god, अभी सिर्फ 10 layers हुई हैं and I can feel my lashes are feeling too heavy. Zoom in a little.
1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg.
Oh my god. And 25 कि कुछ तो है चक्कर. Oops. What's the count? 70. 71. Last 100. Oh my god, can you please zoom in? इसके बाद के consequences मुझे नहीं पता क्या होंगे. I hope मेरी eyelashes ना झड़ जाएं because अगर lashes झड़ गई तो फिर मैं कैसी लगूंगी. Now let's move on to it's time to shine and I'm gonna use my magic wand for it. Oops, this side. 1. Whoa, as you can see, I'm already shining like a bulb. Oops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew, 50. Whoop. अगर आपका हाइलाइटर ख़त्म हो चुका है, do this and you can highlight your own face with it. 51, 52, 53. Woo! 100! I'm so happy. Finally, it's done after how many hours? So, as you guys can see, I am shining bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Switch it off. Now we are about to finish with the look. It's just lipstick is left. 99 layers of lipsticks, not 100, because I already have one. Kind of, it was there, but now I don't think so it is there. I have eaten it up. So I'm gonna do 100 layers of lipsticks for sure. So here are my colors. I'm gonna apply multiple shades on my lips. So let's get started. First just 25 layers and my lips are calling for help. $30. लिपस्टिक लगाते लगाते तो रात हो जाएगी. It's taking hell lot of time. Some sort of weapon I'm holding. Oh, my hands are paining. Whew, 90 and I need a break. Super duper tired. And last one, finally, after ages. 100. I did it. Hey guys, so finally I did it. 100 layers of makeup. Though I look so funny because I can't feel my lips as well because they are numb. Maybe because the lips are super dry right now because of the 100 layers of liquid lipstick. So you guys can see the clear difference between the 1 layer and the 100 layers. Woo! And I hate it. I'm not liking it at all. I look like a clown. You need lots of patience, and until now I had no idea that I had so much of patience. So a big round of applause for me. And आज काफ़ी मेरी exercise भी हो गई है, तो I'm feeling like I have muscles. Whoop! I had so much fun recording this video and I hope you guys loved watching the video. Do let me know in the comment section if you did. Also, if you have any request, any challenge you want me to do, anything, just write it down. Also, I see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. God bless you all. And yes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so whenever I'll upload any video, you will get notified. Bye-bye.